Hey, what is going on, MonkeyPod universe? If you haven't heard, there is an update coming to the campaign builder inside of Keap. So this is also known as the automation builder. The way we have built automations historically is evolving, and there will be a new interface and some slightly different functionality that you can expect as you are building your automations. We actually have a blog post on these changes. You're welcome to check that out in case you are curious or have missed it. But in today's video, I want to show you a little setting that might alleviate a lot of frustration. So let's go ahead and open a new advanced automation builder. We'll give it a name here. So this is the new builder test. And then this is the way the new panel, the new interface looks that you will see when you are building automations using wins and thens. And I'm not going to review all of the different changes and settings, but what I want to point out is that as you are building your automation, you'll notice that each item you add automatically opens. And that's okay, but if you are like me and a lot of Keap users, you might prefer to lay out your automation from start to finish before you configure each individual element. And if each component is opening as you add it, it could cause frustration or it could slow you down, right? So as you are building and adding, each component is popping up and asking you to configure it in that moment. And if that's not what you want, let me point your attention to the top right-hand menu where we have a drop down, and you'll see this shiny new section called Builder Preferences. From there, you can turn this off. So instead of open elements upon adding to canvas, you can change it to don't open elements upon adding to canvas. And what I would hope this will allow us to do is continue to add the rest of our elements without requiring configuration as we add it to the canvas. So the difference here is that you can drag these different components out without necessarily needing to configure them in the moment. Now, as you just saw, it still does open the sequence itself, but it doesn't open the email in that sequence. And when I add goals or the when triggers, it doesn't open those either. It just allows me to build the automation structure that I want. So that is a new setting that you can choose in order to facilitate building automations in the way that feels easiest for you. One important thing to note is that this is an automation by automation setting. So if you disable it in one of your automations, it won't apply that setting to the next one you create. So if you know you want to lay the structure out in advance, when you first open the automation, make your first step to go toggle that to off, which will let you lay out that structure. But just know that that setting is not global. It's not automatically applied to your other automations. It only affects the one for which you have configured it on the individual drop-down menu. That's it. Just wanted to put this setting on your radar. If you are using the new automation builder interface and have been, like me, surprised by or even frustrated by each element opening as you add it to your canvas, this is how you can switch that off. Hopefully this saves you some time or energy as you are building your next automation. Feel free to share this video with anyone else you think it could benefit. Thanks for watching. Take care.